वक्रतुण्डमहाकाय सूर्यकोटिसमप्रभ निर्विघ्नं कुरु मे देव सर्वकार्येषु सर्वदा। सरस्वति नमस्तुभ्यं वरदे कामरूपिणी विद्यारम्भं करिष्यामि सिद्धिर्भवतु मे सदा। साक्षात्कृतं दयानन्दं परमार्थस्वरूपिणं तत्त्वज्ञानप्रशास्तारं प्रणतोऽस्मि परं पदम्। वागर्थाविव सम्पृक्तौ वागर्थप्रतिपत्तये जगतः पितरौ वन्दे पार्वती परमेश्वरौ। येनाक्षरसमाम्नायम् अधिगम्य महेश्वरात् कृत्स्नं व्याकरणं प्रोक्तं तस्मै पाणिनये नमः। वाक्यकारं वररुचिं भाष्यकारं पतञ्जलिं पाणिनिं सूत्रकारं च प्रणतोऽस्मि मुनित्रयम्। ॐ सहना भवतु सहनौ भुनक्तु सह वीर्यं करवावहै तेजस्विनावधीतमस्तु मा विद्विषावहै। ॐ शान्तिः शान्तिः शान्तिः। Some other file comes. Okay, we know. Alpaksharam asandigdham
अल्पाक्षरमसन्दिग्धम्
सारवद् विश्वतो मुखम्
सारवद्विश्रुतो मुखम्
अस्तोभम् अनवद्यं च
अस्तोभमणवद्यम् च
सूत्रं सूत्रविदो विदुः।
सूत्रम् सूत्रविदो विदुः।
Today we will see some paribhasha sutras. Alontyasya
अलोन्त्यस्य
अनेकाल्चित् सर्वस्य
अनेकाल्चित् सर्वस्य
आदेहे परस्य
आदेवरस्य
इच्छा
निच्च
येन विधिस्तदन्तस्य।
येन विस्तदन्तस्य
Icha also can be placed before, immediately after 1152. That is how the order is. These are some of the important paribhasha which I teach you now. But before, still I could have taught. But anyway, 52, Alontyasya. Alontyasya coming as Anuvrutti. You can see. Alontyasya, Nicha, Adehe Parasya, Anekalshit Sarvasya. Then Yena Vididadantasya, that is also is that we will see at the end. Now Alontyasya. In fact, we don't know the paribhasha, but we have used like in many places. Like, for example, let us see I've got many examples on there. We'll see. Some examples we may not, some sutra, all the examples are with the help of, or through sutras. So we will not have seen sutras, some sutras, it's okay. But still, through the sutras we will see. Now, you will see what Alantasya, but now you see this sutra. 73101. Ato Dirgo Yengi. Now, what is the Uttama Purusha Ekavachanam of Paddatu?
उत्तम
Uttama
पुरुष
Purusha.
एकवचनं
Ekavachanam, Dvivachanam, Bhagavachanam.
पठामि
Patami, Patavaha, Patamaha, right?
पठामः yes
So, how does it happen? Patami, Patavaha, Patavaha. In fact, okay, that example I given here. Dhatu is Paddatu, right? Let me do here. Dhatu is Paddatu. Pat plus Mip. Suppose if we do. Mip is Uttama Purusha, Ekavachanam. Right? Mip Pratyaya.
yes
What Pratyaya is Mip Pratyaya? Sarvadhatuka Pratyaya. When a Sarvadhatuka Pratyaya follows a Dhatu, then
गणविकरणं
Gana Vikarana, not Angakarya. First is Gana Vikarana and then first is Gana Vikarana. Then only Angakarya. Pat plus Shap plus Step. Then Pat is the Anga for Shap, right? And Pat
yes
plus Shap is the Anga for Tep. The steps always you need to remember, right?
yes MIP
Now
MIP or TIP
it is Mip.
MIP
Pat plus Shap. Shap cannot do any Angakarya because it is not Iganta nor penultimate Rasvaik. So Pat plus Shap is Pata. Pata plus Mip. Pata plus Me. Mip also cannot cause any Angakarya because this is Adantanga ending with the vowel and therefore penultimate must be a consonant, cannot be a vowel. So Pata plus Me. Pata plus Me, Patami only should come. But how Patami? What is Pata? Pata is Anga. Pata is Anga. Anga ending with Akara. Anga ending with Akara when followed by the Yang. What is the Yang Pratyaya? Yang includes Yang Pratyahara. Not Yang, sorry, not Yang Pratyaya. Yang Pratyahara.
एवं प्रत्येकं
Yang Pratyahara includes starting from Ayavarat, Yavarat, Lan,
यवरत्नं
Nyamangananam, Jabhain, right? Understand?
yes
So
yes
Makara is one of the letter of the Pratyahara, Yang Pratyahara, right? When Yang
yes
Pratyahara follows the Adantanga, right? Anga ending with Akara, Apadanta, the two, right? Anga ending with Akara not at the end of the Padam, right? Yes or no?
Yes.
So that Apadanta Akara at the end of the Anga will become Dirgaha. Anga ending with Akara will get Dirgha Adesha. Sarul. Ato Dirgo Igi Adantasya Angasya. There is no Pada condition, so it's okay. Apadanta, there is no Apadanta condition also. Anga itself, it's enough. Anga ending with Akara. There is no Pada condition. So, therefore, Akarantasya, Angasya, Akarantasya, Adantasya, or Adantasya, whatever it is. Here, Ataha is. Ataha, what is the Vibhakti? Ataha. Shashti Vibhakti Ekavachana. What is Adesha? Dirgaha is the Adesha. When does it happen? When Yang Pratyaya follows. What follows will be in Saptami. We know, right?
yes
That paribhasha also we have seen. Shashti Sthane Yoga, Tasmaditi Uttarasya, Tasminiti Nidishte Purvasya, right? Those
yes
paribhashas, those are also paribhashas only. Those we have seen. Right? Those helps you to identify the Adesha and the Nimitta. Sthani Adesha and the Nimitta. So now when Yang Pratyaya follows, this therefore Tasminiti Uttarasya, where the Karya will happen, Karya will happen in Yanga ending with Akara. Ataha is what is the Pradiparikam? Ataha, at, right?
Yes.
At is a pradipadikam. When you decline at like Marut, then you get Shashti Bhakti Ekavachanam. Ataha, Ataha meaning Anga ending with Akara. Only, not any other letter, not Dirga. Rasvakara. What will be the Adesha? Adesha will be Akarasya Dirgaha will become A. When followed by the letters of the young Pratyahara. Right? This is the rule. This is what the Sutra says. Now the question is, now you see, Pata is the Anga, right?
Yes.
And it fulfills the condition Anga ending with Akara. Yes or no?
Yes.
If Anga ending with Akara, when followed by the Pratyaya beginning with young, then Adesha is Dirga. Should not the entire Anga should be replaced by Dirga? What makes it Pata A become A? Should not the entire thing be replaced by Dirga? There should be some rule, right? There should be some paribhasha. That is why this paribhasha is there. When this is the
Yes, sir.
Sthani, how many letters
Mhm.
are there in the Sthani?
4.
Including the consonants, 4. So this is Anekal Sthani. Anekal means more lettered Sthani, right?
Yes.
Adesha is Dirgaha. How many letters in the Adesha? Only one. Understand? So Sthani is Anekal. More letters. Sthani is Anekal. This example I'm giving. Sthani is Anekal Sthani, right?
Yes.
Adesha is how
Eka.
many letters? Dirgaha, Ekal. I can say Ekal, right? Which is
Yes.
Dirgaha in this example. Now this Anekal, I'll cut this here. In this example, Pata, which is the Sthani, right? Pata, which is a Sthani, is Anekal. Sthani is Pata and Pata is Anekal, right? And Adesha is Dirga and it is Ekal, right? Now,
Right.
so that is okay, fine. Should not the Adesha is Dirga when this is what we say, this is what Shashti Bhakti, right? Antaha,
Yes.
this is the Anga. So here 73101, it is under the Adhigara Angasya Kamiya Sanuvritti. That is also important. Under Angasya is the 641 Adhigara. I told you, remember, 641 is starting from there up to 64, 71, 72, 73, 74. 5 sections. All are Angadhikara.
Mm.
Okay, let us see. Angasya 641. You can take the Sutra Pata. All the Anga related changes, karyas, you will see under this section. Angasya, do you see? 641.
Yes.
Angasya. Up to where it goes, the Adhigara. What is the scope of this Adhigara?
747.
Seventh chapter, fourth section, last sutra, 97. So it means the Angasya Adhigara spreads over 5 sections. And this sutra is 73101. So we have the Anubhati, we have the Adhigara of Angasya, right?
Yes.
Understand? So Angasya Ataha means what? If you now let us write the Vritti like this. Angasya Ataha. That is Angasya Anga Ataha. Anga having akara at the akara, right? That's the meaning. Dirgaha bhavati. When? When yangi follows, yangi pare, right? Ataha angasya. I'll just make it. Ataha angasya. Ataha angasya. Dirgaha yangi pare. This is what the meaning you get, right?
Yes.
Anga having akara will get dirghadesha when yang follows, right? So therefore this pata is anga. The anga is there, and the anga has got akara. Akara is there. Let it be the akara number two akara pa and ta. Ataha angasya. Then this is the stani. Should not the entire stani be replaced? Now the confusion comes. Should we replace the entire stani or what? Ataha is there. Here also a is there. Pa. So it should become patami, or it should become patami, or it should become an entire thing replaced by ami. All these possibilities, right? It's not clear.
This stand is not on the last A.
How do we take it? How can you say that? Because you
Because
know that's why you're saying. Otherwise, you won't be able to say it. Because we know the form patami, therefore we say. Otherwise, there should be some
Antasya.
paribhasha, and to be how you take last year. Why not this? You don't. Why don't you take it? Why don't you take patami? Why you're saying patami? Where end is there in the vritti? Ataha angasya dirgaha bhavati yagi pare. Where is antaha is there? Is there any word antaha? Antaha is there, then what you say is correct. Pata a become a. Here a is not antaha, the word itself is not there, right?
yes,
That's why this paribhasha. Therefore the confusion comes. Now adesha is dirga, ekal adesha. And stani is anga, ataha angasya, anga, akara of anga. That is the meaning. Akara of the anga, right, become dirga. Now the question comes, what akara? Why you take last akara? Why not this? Simple. Okay, and even if you take last akara, okay, even then should it whole should be replaced or on the last one? How do you know? In two place a is there. Even if you take the last akara, should the whole anga should be replaced or the last akara? Where is the word anta? That is why this paribhasha is required. Alon tyasya antyasya. Al means letter. Now you come see. We will see that sutra little later. Stani is now the whole thing is stani. Adesha is ekal. So the one letter ekal. Now when this see if stani is ekal, then there is no problem. Only one chair is there, one person is there. That person gets up, you sit. You don't have problem, right?
Yes.
Empty chair, one chair is the person has got up, so yeah, he is empty. You sit it. Now this is anekal. So you have got a long seat. You know, you can sit in the end or in the middle or this end. Now where you will sit? So you have got now you have to no by default where you will sit. Suppose you go in the bus, where you will sit, or in the flight, the three chairs will be there. No, what will you choose? Everyone by default choose a window seat, right?
Yes.
By default. You are one person, but stani is three seats are there empty. Nobody is sitting. Okay, nobody will sit also, suppose, assuming. So the three chairs are empty and you can occupy one. Which one you will occupy? You cannot sit on all the three chairs, sitting in the middle and spreading your legs left and right. You cannot sit. You have to occupy only one chair, right? If there is only
Yes.
one chair, there is no question of choice. Only one chair is there, only one space is there, right? Vacant chair, there only you can sit. Now all the three are there. A question comes. Problem is now that you have to choose. But there you can choose, but here that you cannot choose. Here, that's why the paribhasha comes. Ekal and anekal. If Stani is anekal and Adesha is ekal, this ekal Adesha will replace the last letter of the Stani. Here the last letter is A. A will become A. So therefore, Patha plus me. Therefore, you get Patha me. So, how do we do this? By this paribhasha, alontyasya. Alontyasya paribhasha helps to do that. Now you see the sutra. Split this sutra, alontyasya. What is there? Alaha, then
Antyasya.
alaha. Okay, padacheda. I'll do it padacheda later. Alaha, antyasya. Antyasya is antya shabdasya shashti vyakti ekavachana. 6-1, right?
Yes.
Antyasya 6-1. Alaha, alaha what is bhakti?
Shashti.
That is also shashti. What is the pradipadikam?
Al.
Al. So antyasya alaha, the last letter. Antyasya alaha, that is what sutra says. Antyasya alaha. Antyasya alaha is a stani. Tasmin stane adeshaka bhavati. Sorry, this is shashti, not the ekvachanam, shamita. Antya letter, which is a antya, the end, which is a al, that will be the stani, that will be replaced by the adesha. That is the meaning of this sutra. Alontyasya. Now, whenever adesha is sashti nirdishtasya yaha adeshaha uchyate, when adesha is ordained in the place of that which is in shashti vibhakti, example here in this case, adesha is ordained in the place of shashti nirdishtasya, right? Ataha.
Yes.
Shashti nirdishtasya yaha adeshaha uchyate. Now that adesha will come at the end of that stani, that end of that last al of the stani. Adesha, which is ekal, ashit, we'll talk about ashit a little later. Adesha, which is ekal adesha, one-lettered adesha, which is when ordained for a stani, that will replace the last al of the stani. Here the stani is the anga, but ataha is the last letter of the anga. Ataha is akara. Akara will be replaced by the ekal stani dirghaha. It will not replace the entire stani. This is a default sutra. Of course, apavadas are there. We will see. Of course, apavadas are there. Whenever an adesha is ordained, ekal adesha to a stani, which is anekal adesha, that adesha will replace the last letter of the stani. Antyasya arahastane. Now, this vritti, now you can see how you can write it. Adantasya angasya, right? Adantasya angasya antyasya alahastane dirghaha adeshaha bhavati. When Vignado pare. Simple. You follow? The same. Now this is difficult, but now with applying the paribhasha, it becomes very clear. Anga ending with akara, that anga is pointed out. That last letter of the anga, which is akara again, okay, will be replaced by dirgha when followed by yajnado pratyaya, yajnado pare. Yajnadi is a pratyaya. Yajnado pratyaya pare. If it is non-pratyaya, you can type pratyaya, it's a pratyaya. Yajnado pratyaye pare. Do you follow the vritti now?
Yes. This Nyado is Saptami.
Yeah, because tasmain iti nidishte purvasya. Therefore,
Okay.
of course, the other anuvritis are there in the sutra, Sarvadhavati and all, but for us not required because we are not going to see that sutra now. Later we will see that sutra detail. So, adantasya angasya antyasya alaha dirgaha bhavati. Kada bhavati yajnado pratyaye pare. Understand? Is it clear? Do we replace the entire anga? Because already we are familiar, therefore this doubt doesn't come. Because that's how I taught you also. If you think if you have doubt, then we won't be able to learn, right? That's why I didn't teach you at the beginning this. But now I'm saying, after we know. You understand?
Yes.
The Adesha is Ekal Adesha. Okay. Ashit, why I say Ashit, I will tell you later. Not now. We'll see that later.
Okay.
Adesha, which is Ekal, which is ordained for a Stani. If it is Eka, if it is Stani is Ekal or Anekal, doesn't matter. Whatever it is. Please see. Maybe for your understanding, I will write and maybe later I will put on flowchart. See. Adesha, Ekal Adesha. Okay. Ekal Adesha. And the Stani is whether it is Ekal Stani or Anekal Stani. Where the Ekal Adesha will come. This Ekal Stani, there is no question at all here. Ekal Stani, then of course the Stani will be replaced. Right? What is the problem here? The Stani is only
Yes.
one letter Stani. And we have only one letter Adesha. Only one chair is empty and one person is there, he will sit.
Hmm.
Understand? Only
Yes.
when he is Anekal, their question comes. Then where this Ekal Adesha is ordained, then we say this Ekal Adesha, where it will come? Here we have to say Antyasya Alaha Sthane Bhavati. If it is Ekal, what is Anta, what is Adav, Adi? It is only
The
one.
same.
Only one son is there. Who is the first son? Who is the last son? He's the first son and he's the last son. Right? So, if it is Ekal Sthani, we don't have problem. Replaced by Ekal Adesha. If it is Anekal Sthani and Adesha is Ekal, then Antyasya Alagasthane Bhavati. Is it clear?
Yeah.
This is just Ekal only. Ashit part is important that we will see. Why I am saying Ashit? There's got some significance. Later we will see. For this is an example. Udaharanam. This Udaharanam is one Udaharanam. There are so many Udaharanams, example we can see. Do you understand this example? Ato Dirgo Yagi.
Yes.
The sutra is Ato Dirgo Yagi. Ato Dirgo with the Sandhi. 73101. There we apply this paribhasha. Not only here, so many places. Ato Dirgo Yagi. This is the anuvritti of Angasya. Therefore, if you write the vritti would be like this. Ataha Angasya Yagi Pare. Now, applying the paribhasha, now this is confusing. That's why we apply the paribhasha now, and now it has become meaningful. Adantasya angasya. We are qualifying the anga. What type of anga? Anga ending with akara. That is what here also says. Anga ending with akara. Okay. Anga ending with akara, fine. Do you replace the entire anga? No. Antyasya alaha, the last letter of the anga. The last letter of the anga is replaced by dirgha when yajnado pratyaya pare. Like this example. Understand?
Yes.
So in this example, pat is patha, not pat is. Pat is anekal. Adesha is ekal. So anekal sthani, ekal adesha. Where the adesha will come? Last letter of the anga. Last letter of the sthani. Not the entire sthani. Angasya, when we say angasya, what vibhakti? Shashti vibhakti.
Shashti.
It is a sthani. So angasya sthane dirgha bhavati va? Na. Angasya, antyasya, alaga sthane. And the al is akara. Happens to be akara. That akara becomes dirgha. Therefore patami. Is it clear?
Clear.
No. Another example. Monuswaraha. Monuswaraha, what happens? You tell me, what is Monuswaraha? You have to tell the sutra. What does it mean?
Now we have only anikal.
Huh?
We have we have ikal. Maha anuswara. Anuswara.
Now, tell me, what is the sutra says? You know the meaning of the sutra, right? Tell me the sutra, then we'll discuss. Adesha, sthani, etc. What is Monuswaraha?
Yeah, we have to bring the nubriti.
No, I'm just asking the
Yeah.
meaning of the sutra. Please tell me.
The makara will be replaced by anuswara.
What makara? Makara, what makara?
Padantasya
Exactly.
makara.
We have the PC 8323 and the previous sutra below, above, Shamitam. We have the Anuvritti 8116 onwards, Padasya coming as Anuvritti. See,
Yes.
we will see later this. Now, I mean, later means, okay, I'm not done yet. Okay, fine. We'll see now here. See, Maha Anuswaraha, right?
Yeah.
Maha what vibhakti? You tell me. Maha what vibhakti?
Shashti.
Shashti. If it's Shashti, what is Pratipadika? Makara.
Makara.
Consonant. Anuswara is Adesha.
Adesh.
And what is the Anuvritti here? Important Anuvritti?
Padas.
Padasya coming as Anuvritti. Don't forget, all these are Padasya Adhikara. Padasya what vibhakti?
Shashti.
Shashti. Now, like here, what we have
Also,
done. Here we have done.
Ali is
Ali
important.
also. Yes. Ali is also important. Yes. So, here we have the Anuvritti of Padasya. This I remove it. Padasya, which is what vibhakti?
Shashti.
Shashti. And Ali is
Saptami.
Saptami. Is similar to what we have seen before. Now, you tell me, what do you understand from this? Right, the vritti like what I wrote for Ato Dirgha Yagi. Padasya,
Okay.
Maha Padasya, or Maha Padasya, Ali Anuswaraha. Ali Pare
Yes.
Anuswaraha Adesha Bhavati to what? To the Pada. Padasya Shashti. Maha Padasya means
Antyasya.
Pada, which is Makara. Antima, how do you know Antima? We don't know.
Varnasya. Antima Varnasya.
We don't know. How do you know Antima? From where you bring Antima? It's not Anuvritti, it's not there.
Anantarasya.
That's why we need the Paribhasha.
Yes.
Maha Padasya, what is the meaning? Makara of the Padam, not right, you can't write Pada, which is a Makara, right? Something like that, Ataha Angasya. Ataha Angasya. Now, the Makara Padasya is Shashti, this is also Shashti. So it means Samanadhikaram, one will be the qualified, other will be qualified. But Maha Padasya means what? Padam, which should be a Makara. If Padam should be a Makara means then It's meaningless, right? Like, for example, aham is that, aham Ramaha, for example. This is a padam,
Yes.
and padam is not makara,
It's not.
right? The padam is not makara. So you have to specify very clearly, right? That is the padam which has got makara, or padasya makarasya, suppose if you say makarasya padasya means the pada should be makara. That is not. Or if you take the meaning, the padam has got some makara in between, something like that. That is all. That meaning also we cannot take. So without this alontyasya, the meaning is not complete. Therefore, what we do, we have to add padasya when we say a makara alone cannot be a padam, right? Padam means
Yes.
what? Something antam padam. Makara alone cannot be a padam. It means the pada must have more letters. Sthani. Sthani must have more letters. Anekal sthani now. So therefore, what happens here? Anekal sthani, and it is replaced by ekala desha,
Yes.
right? So therefore, we say makarantasya
Tasya,
padasya
padasya.
antyasya alaha, which is makara, right? Antyasya, which is akara, will be ali.
Alipari.
I mean, alado pare, and beginning with a consonant, pare. Anuswaraha adeshaha bhavati. Anuswara is eka. So the pada, the last letter of the padam, the anga is anekal. The last letter of the anga will be replaced by anuswara. Now, for example, aham ravaha, if you take aham ramaha. Now, what is this here? Stani, I'll copy from here. Stani is aham stani. Anekal. Adesha is anuswaraha. Ekal. Therefore, where the adesha will come? The adesha will come at the by alontyasya paribhasha. Therefore, aham ramaha will become aham ramaha. Understand?
Yes.
Yes.
That's what I did here, right? Anuswaraha. In fact, here also there is one paribhasha is ena vidhi tadantasya. That I will explain at the end. Okay. You follow what I'm saying?
Yes.
There are so many examples like that.
And also for this hal adav. This adav meaning
Tadadi vidhi. There's one more vidhi. By Vatika is that. That is tadado vidhi. Tadanta
oh
vidhi, tadadi vidhi. That we will see. In fact, the same example, Ato Dirgha Yagni will take. I will explain that later.
yeah, because this meaning the first letter of which is following, right?
Yes, yes, yes. Understand?
Yes.
If you see the sutram, there is no antyasya at all. There is no padantasya. Padasya only is there. Now, from where we supply antyasya? In fact, we have learned the sutra before, right? I always say padantasya makarasya, makaranta padasya, right? From where we get anta? From this paribhasha only, alontyasya. Okay.
Okay.
Yes.
Next one. Similarly, this is another sutra. First, we have to understand the sutra. Ichu gami yamam chaha. That is ishu dhatu. That is ish dhatu, which is fourth conjugation. No, sister conjugation. Then gam dhatu and yam dhatu. We'll get what? Adesha is chaha. Now, let us see here. When shit follows, shiti pare. Okay. The meaning is issue. Issue is ish only. Who is the letter? That ish will be replaced by what letter? Cha.
Cha.
Similarly, gum will be replaced by what letter? Cha. Cha is 1-1. What is the Pratipadikam then? Like Ramashabda, Chakara only. Okay. Like Chaha is done. Chaha is 1-1. So Pratipadikam is Cha, which is like Ramashabda. That A is only Uchcharanartham. You have to take only Chakara. Okay.
Yes.
You understand? Pratipadikam is
Yes.
what? Cha. Cha is Chakara plus A. That A is only for Uchcharanartham. Adesha is Chakara. Similarly, Yam will be replaced by Chakara. Right?
Yes.
Now, what will happen if ish is replaced? Ish plus, ish is sixth conjugation. Sha plus tip. Right? What will happen now? Tell me.
Problem.
Hmm?
It's similar. We have adopted if all the true letters E and shall will be replaced or only one
Exactly.
of
The doubt comes whether we replace the entire Stani, because Stani is Anekal. And this is a very good example because the entire thing is 6-3, right? Like Marutam, like Ichu, Kami Yamam. The whole thing is should be replaced by Chakara. If you take literally, don't apply a paribhasha, then what will have? Then for everything we'll have Chati.
Chati.
There is no Ichati. Chati, and this also become Chati, right?
Yes.
Gum plus Sha.
Mm. This sha will not make a Angakarya for each.
This will not make Angakarya for each. What each?
This
Okay.
each plus sha is gonna be Karana plus tip, right? Sha
Each plus?
will each plus sha.
No.
It's
No.
gonna be
Sha. Ish plus Sha.
Oh,
Yes, gonna become now.
oh, okay. Only sha, not shap.
Not Shap. This is sixth conjugation.
Six
Here it
conjugation,
is
only sha.
Gam Dhatu, first conjugation. And
Okay.
Yam is also Yam Dhatu. Yam Dhatu also, it can take it as a first conjugation.
Shap.
Yam,
Understood.
Yam is, I think the Dhatu is the first conjugation. I think it is one or two conjugation the Dhatu is. But anyway, we can take that to be Bhuvadigana, no problem. The first Shap, Bhuvadigana. Side. Then
Yes. Understood.
everywhere you will have, what you will have form you will get? You will get Chati.
Chati.
Chati. Is it a Rupam we give form? Is it a Rupam? No.
No.
So ish is Anekal. Anekal Stani Ekala Desha. So you write like this. Anekal Stani. And Anekal Stani is replaced by what Adesha? Ekala Desha. Right? Ekala Desha.
Yes.
So therefore, what will happen? This is our rule. Anekal Stani, when it is replaced by Ekala Desha, then Antyasya Alagastane. Therefore, not the entire thing will be replaced. Shakara alone is replaced by Shakara. Cha. Then Checha will apply.
yes.
When Chakara
Yes.
follows, one Tukkagama comes. That we know. Yes, remember. In Sandhi we have seen.
Yes.
Tukkagama, that is out of scope now. You don't have to worry. If you know, remember, you find. Then after that, Shutta Sandhi will happen. Therefore, that becomes Chakara, Cha, then Icha, Ichati. Right?
Yes.
Similarly, here also, Gum. Gum, the entire Stani. Here also, same thing. Anekal Stani and Ekal Adesha. Therefore, Antyasya Stane eva bhavati. Therefore, gam, that makara replaced by chakara. Here also checha will apply. Because of that, we get gachati. Tukkarma, and that becomes chutvam, gachati. Similarly, yam also will become anekal stani, replaced by ekaladesha. Right? So you will have gach, then checha will apply, sandhi, gachati. Understand?
Yes.
Everywhere, this is need to remember. Ekal, adesha, anekal, stani. Right? This is also ekal, adesha, stani is anekal. This is a good example, in fact, where it's very clear. Here, there is no tadanta vidhi and all. Directly, you can say, says, right? It's a good example. Ish will be replaced by chaha. We don't replace the entire ish. We replace the last letter. Kam is replaced by cha. We don't replace the entire tani. We replace the last letter. Similarly, yam also. This is a good example. Easily understandable example. The other two, there is something called tadanta vidhi that we will discuss later. This also is okay. You understand it very good. This is a good example, right? Follow what I'm saying? Alontyasya. So default paribhasha is alontyasya. Whenever you have stani, which are many ach, anekal, not ach, al, then the adesha will replace the last letter. This third example. So many examples we have. We can give lots of examples. You see, this we have done. And can you tell me any other example from what we have seen so far? It's sandhi and all. Do you remember any example?
Another example maybe Hashicha.
Ashicha. Ashicha.
Hashicha will apply.
Will apply.
Meaning only for the last.
Ashicha. No. There is no last. It's very clearly said. Preceded by a, followed by ash. So ru is there in between, that is replaced by u. So that is not the one. That is not the one.
Oh, sorry. Then enough padanta dati, maybe.
Huh?
Enough padanta dati.
There also Padanta is very clearly said, no?
Yeah, it's specified. Padanta.
Another good example is, it is not, I've not added here, I will add here now. That's a good example. Okay. So now you see, that is good example. We have seen the sandhi, Sayogantasya lopaha, remember? It's a good one. Yes. Sayogantasya lopaha. Do you remember? What does it mean? Sayogantasya lopaha. Sayogantasya 6-1. Lopaha is the adesha. Lopaha is ekal or anekal. Lopaha is adarshanam. Sayogantasya lopaha. And we have padasya as anuvritti. Padasya. Example. You remember the example, Sayogantasya lopaha? What example we have seen? Can you check the Sandhi Sutra? Our notes. I'll open. Yeah, we can see that. Our example, you can take what example we have done. The Sandhi. What is that? Okay, let me open. Please see this. If you have the file, please take it. Sayoganta. What is the number? If you can see the number, tell me. And I'll just go to the review.
8223.
No, not that number. Our number.
Oh,
And that sutra number is there, no?
yes.
Sayogantasya lopaha. 98, our sutra.
98.
In our list, it is 98.
Sayogasya lopa.
I think that's sutra 98. Examples are there. So the 25. Lots of examples. Okay, next sutra. Yes. Sayogantasya lopaha. Now this for this we have taken this shabda, kanj, jakaranta shabda. Okay. Kanj example we have taken. Kanj plus su. The su goes away, right? Kanj is a pradipadikam. Kanjati iti khan. This khan is a pratama vibhakti ekavachan. How we get that? We'll take that example. Okay, we'll take that example. Sayogantasya lopaha. I'm taking the dhatu kanj plus kip pratyaya. What you get? Kanj plus kip is you get a kanj is a dhatu. What is the meaning of kanj? To limp, right? Kanj means to limp. So referring to the person who is, limping, some disability. So therefore, kanj is the karta. Now, when you decline this kanj plus su, pratama vibhakti ekavachana. We know what will happen to su. What will happen to su is aprukta ekal pratyaya following a consonant. Therefore, it will become lopaha. So what you get is a padam, right?
Yes.
So what you get is a padam. Kanj plus su. Su will go away by that sutra 6168. That is not required for us. Just for the sake of steps, I'm writing. Su lopa bhavati by 6168. And what you get is a padam. Kanj is a padam now. That also I will write.
Yes.
It's a kanj pratipadikam. It has become now a padam. Now, after that, what will happen? Now, this is a padam. We apply this sutra. This is 8 to 23. We apply. This is a padam. Padasya ending with what? You see, this is Sayogantasya Padasya. How do you write the vritti? Sanyogantasya means ending with conjunct. What? Padasya lopaha bhavati. Lopaha adesha bhavati. This is what meaning is. That is, pada ending with conjunct consonant will become lopa. It means what will happen? The entire padam should become lopaha. That's what it means. Pada ending with conjunct consonant should become lopaha means the entire padam should become lopaha. No, if entire padam become lopaha, then what is what do you get? Zero. Null. Void. Void problem will come, like in Java. So therefore, here Sanyogantasya padasya is what? Anekal stani. Adesha is lopaha ekal adesha. Therefore, what we have to do? We have to do this paribhasha. Sanyogantasya padasya antyasya alaha. What is the antyasya alaha? The last letter of the conjunct. Alaha stane lopaha adeshaka bhavati. We say. Right? Therefore, in this case, the last letter, which is Jakara, Jakara will go by Sutra, this Sutra 8 to 23. Understand? After that, this becomes Kan, that is out of scope. How it becomes, that is, this Dhatu is a Pin Pratyay Dhatu, therefore replaced by corresponding Kavarga letter. That I think we are not seeing. It's okay. That is 8 to 62. So therefore, Kan is a Padam. Final form is Kan. Understand? So this is where our sutra is up, 8 to 23. You can see the application of alontasya here, right? Understand?
Yes.
This is a good example. So I think this issue gamiyamam chaha and sayogantasya lopaha, these two are very good examples. You can note. Right? There's so many examples are there. We will see everywhere. Other places also we would have applied this. Next sutra is Anekal Shit Sarvasya, that we will see tomorrow, next class. Understand? Any doubts in this? So Alontyasya. Okay, we'll see that. Next sutra, I think I will make a Nicha or anyone is also okay. We'll see. I'll make Nicha as the first one. I mean, the next sutra is 1153. That also we can do. Anyway, we can do. It's not a problem. Yeah, as per the order, the sutra pata or my order. Whatever it is. We'll see. So you will not be there, no, Rama? You can
Yes,
please do whatever required uploading. Do it.
yeah, sure, no problem.
You can watch offline. After this paribhasha, 4 paribhashas, in we will do Kartarisha. We'll get into Tinganta. Real Tinganta.
Yes. Yes.
We'll stop here. Understand, Vajaspati?
Yes. Finally, I know why gum becomes gachati. So many years to get here.
Gum, when followed by Shit Pratyaya, will be replaced by Cha. Gacha. See, only when Sarvadhataka follows, it happens. Not in what will happen in Ashirling? Tell me. What will be the form, I mean, what is the Kriya Padam? The final Rupam, Ashirling. Ashirling, last part we did, no? Parasipati, Yat, Yas. Gamyat.
Gamyat.
So, Gam plus Yat. Will Shap come there? No. So, Shap is, that's why the Shit Pratyaya follows. It will be, Gam will be replaced by Gach. Otherwise, like Gamishyati, future tense. Gamyat, Ashirling.
Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
Agamishyat, Lving Lakara. Ganta, Lut Lakara. Lut. Ganta, Gantaro, Gantaraha. Lut. Okay. Fine.
Thanks.
We'll stop here. Om Purnamadav Purnamidam Purnat Purnamudachyate Purnasya Purnamadhaya Purnameva Vashishyate Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Hari Om Shri Guru Pyo Namaha. Hari Om. धन्यवाद.
See.
Charanji, I need to ask you a thing.